Welcome to today's English lesson. We are going to learn about parts of speech, specifically nouns, verbs, and adjectives. These are the building blocks of every sentence you read and write. Parts of speech. Today we are looking at parts of speech, the jobs words do in a sentence. Once you can spot those jobs, reading becomes clearer and your writing becomes much more controlled. Let us slow down for a moment here and look at this visual, noun, verb, and adjective definitions. Notice the details in the focus cue, compare how nouns name, verbs show actions or states, and adjectives describe nouns. Spend a moment reflecting on how this relates to our objectives. Our goal today is to identify three key parts of speech: nouns, verbs, and adjectives. By the end, you should be able to look at a sentence and tell which words name something, which words show action or state, and which words describe. Let us slow down for a moment here and look at this visual.
We are going to solve this quadratic equation by factoring. Factoring means rewriting the equation as two brackets. Once we have two brackets multiplied together and equal to 0, we can find the values of x that make each bracket equal to 0. Quick review: to multiply, x plus 2, x plus 3, multiply each term in the first bracket by each term in the second. X plus x3 plus 2x plus 2 3 equals x superscript 2 plus 5x plus 6. Factoring is simply doing this in reverse. X squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. This is the equation we want to solve. The x squared term tells us it is quadratic. The number 5 is the coefficient of x, and 6 is the constant term. Watch out, some learners forget that the x squared term is what makes this quadratic. Let us slow down for a moment here and look at this visual, quadratic standard form. Notice the details in the focus cue. Identify that a equals 1, b equals 5, and c equals 6 in our equation. Spend a moment reflecting on how this relates to our objectives. Find two numbers that multiply to 6. The number 6 is the constant term. To factor this quadratic, we need two numbers whose product is 6. Watch out, do not choose numbers that only add correctly. They must multiply correctly too. Let us slow down for a moment here and look at this visual, factors of 6 matching sum 5. Notice the details in the focus cue. Look at the table. The pair, 2, 3, satisfies both product equals 6 and sum equals 5. Spend a moment reflecting on how this relates to our objectives. The same numbers must add to 5. The number 5 comes from the middle term, 5x. So we are not looking for any two factors of 6. We need two factors of 6 that also add up to 5. Watch out, a learner may choose 1 and 6 because they multiply to 6, but they add to 7, not 5.